Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog, and today I'm going to feature about my first day of school here at Perpetual Health National High School after a long quarantine. Okay, so as you can see, wala pa tayo ngayong makeup, but later on I'll fix myself. I'll show you my room na talaga naman ay napabayaan ko kasi hindi nga ako pumasok ng ilang days. So mahaba-habang quarantine talaga siya. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang room ko ngayon. Ayan. Check this out, guys. Pero syempre, magme-makeup muna si ma'am. Gamit natin ay Maybelline. Okay na. Fresh na. Mag-tour na tayo. Let's G! Okay, so ito yung outside ng room ko. So makikita nyo ngayon ang flagpole ng PH NHS. Welcome to my room! So, magulo pa siya. Hindi pa siya, Okay, so tingnan natin to. And so, yung mga plants natin ay dry na. Okay. So, yan. Okay, so ito yung output ng mga estudyante ko last year sa kanilang personal development subject. Okay, so this one is the classroom rules. Here naman ang aking Instagrammable wall background. Pero hindi na rin siya maayos. And same thing with this one. Let's go outside, guys. Ayan. So, ang room yan ni Marian. Ito naman ang aking mga plants na purely green na. So, buti na lang sa taas ay may mga flowers for the Let a Million Flowers Bloom project. So, these are personal development projects. Ayan. So, last year, yan yung mga output ng aking mga estudyante. And, syempre, yung ating mga modules. So, since na-miss ko yung classroom design ko before, so, I'll let you see some pics of my previous classroom design. So as you can see, these are my pictures of my previous classroom. So mas maganda na may observe pa rin natin yung classroom structuring ng DepEd. That was my first day of school here. Na-miss ko yung aking previous classroom. So, thank you for watching!